Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about how to allow less secure apps in Gmail in 2025. You might have heard this term before if you're trying to connect older apps or device to your Gmail account that doesn't support modern security standards. But Google has changed how this works recently, so I'll explain what you need to do now. The first off, Google has actually phased out its traditional allow less secure apps setting for most accounts. And instead, if you want to connect an app or device that doesn't support OAuth 2.0, you'll need to use an app password. This is unique, a generated password that you can create in Google account settings specifically for that app. To do this, you'll need to have a two-factor authentication enabled on your Google account. Once that's set up, go to your Google's account security page. Find the app password section and generate a new password for the app or device you want to use. Then enter the password instead of your regular Gmail password when signing into the app. This method keeps your main password safe while still letting older apps connect. It's a more secure alternative to Sol or less secure apps, option that Google used to offer. If your account doesn't have 2FA enabled, Google won't let you use app password. So enabling two-factor authentication is the first step. So in short, allow less secure apps is no longer available, but using app passwords with 2FA is the official way to get your apps connected safely in 2025. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like, comment your questions and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Catch you in the next video.